Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. Today you get to hang out with one of my top students. Her name is Lucy and she is joining us from the UK. She will be showcasing a super fun and edgy design, which is her signature style. She's going to take you step by step. She'll show you all of the materials that you'll need to create this design in case you want to recreate it. Those links will be down in the description box below. Let's get started.
Hi everyone, welcome back to Paola Ponce Nails. I'm Lucy from Beam Studio. I'll be doing another tutorial with you today. I'm going to be showing you how to create these silver molten metal jewellery sort of inspired look. So this is everything you're going to need for today. The Nail Thought Overcast, it's a milky white, non-wipe accessory bond in black and clear, gems of your choice, and a dense fluffy brush, a buffer, silver chrome, caviar beads, a little sponge or something to apply your chrome. I'll be using that and a grabber tool, a wax pencil, a dotting tool and a long liner brush. So you're then going to apply 2 coats of your milky white. I'm also going to wipe away the inhibition layer. I don't want it to be sticky at all, and I'm going to fully buff over the nail with a little mini buffer. I want to get rid of all that shine. I want it to be completely matte ready for chrome. So this is non-wipe accessory bond from KOKOIST in black, and you do want to grab a decent amount of this gel. It is quite a thick consistency, but that's great for the design we're doing. You do want it to be quite a textured look. So I'm just randomly placing it on this nail, kind of in like the smile line sort of area, but not on the edge. And again, you do want a bit of texture, so having a few bits that are a bit thinner on the nail, bits that are a bit built more up, that's absolutely fine. You are going to be placing gems into this gel, so a couple of areas do need to be a bit thicker just to hold those gems in place. So once you're happy with how it looks, you want to place a couple of gems into this uncured gel, pressing them down firmly, and when you're ready, pop it in the lamp for a full 60-second cure.
Hope you are enjoying our guest artist video. I wanted to jump on because there's something time sensitive. This Wednesday, so in approximately 3 days, the MGN Course group class enrollment will be ending. You get some awesome perks, including attending a live review session, having the opportunity to submit an assignment, receiving detailed feedback on that assignment, and upon your receipt of assignment, you will also get a printed and mailed certificate anywhere you are joining us from. So if you are interested and you want to join the Master Gel Nails course during this period of enrollment and claim all of those group class event enrollment perks, then you want to sign up by Wednesday, 10 p.m. Eastern. I'll drop the link in the description box below. Now back to the video.
Then take whatever you're using to apply your chrome, dip it in the chrome and really rub it into that black gel that's being cured. Really getting into all the little grooves because there is going to be a lot of texture. And because earlier we buffed the nail completely, it should be absolutely fine when it comes to dusting it off with a dense brush. It should all just wipe off that base colour. Then to finish off this design, I'm going to be adding 1 final gem and 4 caviar beads around that gem. The caviar beads give the look of prongs of an actual piece of jewellery and are pretty good structurally for the gem to last while wearing the manicure itself. Caviar beads can be pretty fiddly to work with, so I just use a long liner brush with a little bit of that non-wipe accessory bond on it, just to pick them up and place them where I want them to be. And now onto top coat. I am going to start by just placing the top coat generously over the beads, the gems, the chrome, just to make sure I've really gotten into all those grooves. And then once I've gotten those completely covered, before curing it in the lamp, I'm just going to go over the whole nail just as you normally would. And this is the final result on all 5 nails. It's such an edgy look. It would also look really cool and gold if that's more your preference. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. And
if you want to go beyond the nail art with us and learn how to first master a beautiful foundation that is smooth and most importantly, long wearing, consider joining us inside the Master Gel Nails course. We'll take you step by step into applying beautiful natural nail overlays so that you don't have to spend any more time in frustration figuring it out yourself. You can check out the MGN course using the link in the description of this video, and you can also use our guest artist code below to save $50 off instantly. See you in the next one.